Okay, welcome back. Open a new page. Select top, normal to rectangle. Start from origin point. This one is 170. And here is 70. Yeah. Isometric. Extrude. Plus you have to extrude 28. Yeah, I made a mistake here. I have to change something. Now I'm coming to 3 diagrams, a sketch, edit sketch, normal 2. This one is 170 and here is 70. Okay, confirm, isometric. Now this is my part up to here. Now I'm gonna to work on this plane. Rectangle. I need 3 rectangles. Okay, as this. Now let's say this one equal with this one. These lines are equal. Now dimension, this one is 20. This one, since all of them is equal, you just need to put 112 here. Everything will be 12. Here to here is 22. And here to here is 22. ISO, extrude, cut extrude, feature cut extrude, through all. Now I'm gonna to create a very complex sketch here. On this plane, normal 2. Use line to make, in this sketch, do not select the suggested points by application. Look here, you have some suggested points, but do not select these points. Okay, as much as possible, be aware of this line from here to here. Another line here. One more line is here. Line, and complete your sketch. I have lines, be careful, I have lines here and here. Okay, it's a closed sketch. Now I have to put some properties here. Look, this point and this points are horizontal. This one and this one is horizontal. These 2 is horizontal, sorry, vertical. This 2 is vertical. Okay, now this line and this line parallel. This 2 is parallel. Now when I'm shifting this, you can see I can shift as I can. This 2. Now let's start with dimension. This point, this line and this line is 60. Okay, this one is 60 as well. You don't need to put. Let's say 1/6 here. This one is 60. Any more dimension? And here is 60. Okay. Now, as you can see, you can move your sketch along with this axis. Okay. Now I just need to put, I have to put this part on the mid of the plane. That's why I need a more dimension, because it is symmetric from here to here. It is actually 85 minus 8. This distance is 77. Okay, this should be 7. Be careful, this should be 77 as well, but you don't need to put dimension. As you can see here, the color of the lines, this is a very complicated sketch, and all the colors is black. Okay, now let's continue with this. Okay, isometric and extrude. The height which I'm gonna to extrude is 26. Okay, this is 26. Now I'm gonna to continue to work on this plane. Select this plane, normal to, sketch, and let's say 3 points center rectangle, corner rectangle. Make this rectangle. Here is 28. This one is 28. This one is 28 as well. Here to here, this distance, not angle, sorry. Yeah, let's say, I have to say, firstly, this one is parallel with this line. Okay, and now it's time to put dimension, distance as 60 minus 28. It will be 32 divided by 2. It is 16. And this one is, yeah, this one and this one is parallel. What happened? Control Z, not parallel. I have to check this one. Maybe this one is not perpendicular. That's why I have to say, I have to delete this signs here. Look, it's perpendicularly, and now it's time to say this one and this one is parallel, and this one and this one is parallel again, and we need a distance between here and here. It is 16. Now it's black. So this line, be careful, these two is parallel, these two is parallel, these two is parallel, and these two parallel. Distance is 16 and 16. Okay, isometric, features, cut extrude, and through all. Now I'm gonna to complete my sketch here, and for completing this sketch I'm gonna to continue with a new plane. Look, select reference geometry and plane. We have to wait for some seconds. Okay, this one, the plane which is passed through this point, and this line. Sorry, I have to repeat it. Plane between this point, and this plane. Let's say between this plane, this line, and this line. Yeah, look, I'm repeating. Plane between this line and this line. Create this plane. Okay, and confirm. Now, if I have a look from here to my part, I have a plane here. Okay, isometric, and I'm gonna to select this plane, not the new plane, normal 2, okay, and let's say rectangle, corner rectangle from here to here, and let's say this one is equal with this one. Okay, now black everything, isometric. We have a, as you can see here, we have a sketch on the plane. Now I'm gonna to use extrude, okay, and this time up to surface. Which surface? The new plane. Look, and confirm. My work is here, is finished. You can hide this plane. Okay, for the other part, okay, I'm gonna to use another technique here, but there are too many methods for creating this, but I'm gonna to use, I'm gonna to select this one, plane, okay, flip direction, okay, and this one should be 85 at the mid. Okay, now I have a plane. Select this plane, go to feature and mirror. Okay, here features to mirror, open the tree, okay, and try to select the latest extrude, this one, okay, and confirm. Oops. What happened? Okay, this one is not working, sorry. Now I'm gonna to use, but it should be worked. Let me repeat it again. Okay, this one, mirror, feature to mirror. Yeah, it seems that it's okay, but I don't know what happened. Okay, now this technique is not working, sorry. Delete this plane or hide it. Now I'm gonna to use, you may use this one as well. Open, deselect this one, normal 2, rectangle, make a rectangle, this one and this one is equal, isometric, extrude up to here. Okay, confirm. And now you can select this one and cut extrude this corner by line. This one here to here to here. It will be the same. Isometric, cut extrude, and draw. As you can see, I tried to make number 3 on page on week 5. This is on a new page. It is called as number 3. Okay, this is a part. Hope you will be able to repeat all of these steps and you will be able to create this part. This part is very complicated parts. Most of the times in examinations, you may face with such these parts. Okay, good luck to you, and hope to see you soon.